Today I am testing Micro Martingale EA. Currency symbol is GBPUSD and duration is 6 months. Period is M1. Spread is 10. Initial deposit is 5000. I am using default setting except for max spread 10, signal level 10, stop loss 50, trailing active true, and auto lot size false, and fixed lot size is 0.5. Martin min grid 15. Now click OK and press the start button. Now open graph tab and watch the progress of the expert advisor. Now analyze the report. Drawdown is 6.08%. Total net profit is 5136.50. I am also sharing the EA and its set files. You can find the download link in the description of the video. Thank you for watching my video. If you found these trading tips and tutorials helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more valuable content. Remember, successful trading awaits you. So let's navigate the markets together. Happy trading.